Hey kids, welcome to my channel. Kids, we have already learned singular and plural in my previous video. The link is given in the description box below. So today we will learn this, that, these and those. First of all, it is very important to understand the meaning of singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means many. So let's start with this and that. This is used for an object which is near to us or which we can touch, and a very important thing is this is only used when the object is singular or one. For example, this is a pen. This is a ball. This is a pencil. This is a ball. This is a leaf. This is a pen. This is a candle. We are using this in these sentences because they are near to us and we can hold. That is used for an object which is far from us and we cannot touch it. We can just point at it. That is only used when the object is singular. For example, that is a tree. That is a kite. That is a cloud. Now, if the object is near to us but it is more than one or plural, then in the place of this we have to use these. For example, these are 3 pens. These are 2 balls. These are flowers. These are balls. These are toffees. We are using these in these sentences because the object is plural or more than one. Now, if the object is far but is more than one or plural, then those is used at the place of that. For example, those are stars up in the sky. Those are my caps. Those are kites flying in the sky. We are using those in these sentences because the object is plural or more than one and far from us. Kids, let's practice it more. Okay. That is a lion. This is an elephant. This is a peacock. That is giraffe. Kids, this is used for an object. This is used for 2 or more objects. Is should be used with this and are should be used with these. This is a pen. These are pens. This is a cap. These are caps. This is a pot. These are pots. This is an egg. These are eggs. This is a cup. These are cups. Fill in the missing letters. This is a star. These are stars. This is a cap. These are caps. This is a kite. These are kites. This is a lamp. These are lamps. This is an ant. These are ants. This is a dog. These are dogs. Kids, circle this or that. This is a car because this is near. That is a bus because this is far from us. This is a doll because doll is near to us. That is a cake because cake is far from us. Now circle these or those. These are grapes because grapes are near to us. Those are kites because kites are far from us. These are oranges because oranges are near to us. Those are pencils because pencils are far from us.